In the present society, more and more people emphasize environmental protection and conserve energy and reduce carbon emission. Therefore, our company designs a new product to meet the times trends. The new product is called Auto Sliding Door Closer. We have gotten the patent rights from Taiwan and China. What is Auto Sliding Door Closer? And what can it do? Please let me show you how to use. When we would like to pass through the door, you just need to open the door and pass through. And then the door will be closed automatically without electricity. If you would like to extend the open status, you just need to let the door be pulled to the end and pull lightly after passing through. And then the door will be closed again without electricity. If the close speed cannot fit your need, you can use screwdrivers to adjust it. And open again. You can feel that the door has been closed faster. The product can be used in many kinds of doors. For example, shop door, closet, accessible bathroom door, etc. As long as you use the Auto Sliding Door Closer in your door, you can save the electric bill and